What is most important to you about being Jewish?
The first thing is continuity. Judaism and Jewishness it's a language, it's a nationality, it's a religion, but to me it's the continuity of the people, of our people. The history of our people is so important to me, and what we've been through, down through the ages, that the continuity of our people, the continuity of being Jewish from generation to generation. And that's why I never want to lose Yiddish, because it goes along with it. You could be Jewish without speaking Yiddish at all, but if you keep that alive, it keeps our history alive. Although it didn't start until, I guess, the Middle Ages, it's part of keeping Jewishness alive. It's carrying an extra piece of ammunition in your bag.